Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make ambrosia. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 3 cups of whipped cream. I'll be making my own using 1.5 cups of whipping cream, 6 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 3/4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. For the rest of the ambrosia, we'll need 4 Mandarin Oranges, a cup of shredded coconut, a cup of maraschino cherries, a cup of miniature marshmallows, a half cup of vanilla yogurt, a half cup of chopped pecans, and 10 ounces of crushed pineapple. We'll start by chilling a metal or glass mixing bowl and whisk in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Then, we'll prepare our fruit. We'll drain our pineapple and set it aside. Then, we'll supreme our oranges by cutting off each end with a paring knife and carving around the outer edge to remove the peel and pith, and cut out each section between the membrane. Supreming the orange removes the bitter parts of the fruit. We'll set the orange slices aside, then cut our maraschino cherries in half. Once we finish preparing our fruit, our bowl should be finished chilling. We'll mix together our 1.5 cups of heavy cream, 6 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 3/4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Starting on low speed and slowly increasing speed to high, we'll whip this until stiff peaks form, about 90 seconds. Once our whipped cream is mixed, we'll add our half cup of vanilla yogurt and mix on low speed until just combined. Once our whipped cream mixture is finished, we'll fold together our whipped cream, cherries, oranges, 10 ounces of pineapple, cup of shredded coconut, cup of miniature marshmallows, and half cup of chopped pecans until well combined. Then we'll cover it with plastic wrap and allow it to chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before serving. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.